Escort acknowledged a voltage sensitivity bug in their older software where detectors would restart due to voltage fluctuations in vehicle electrical systems. To address this, Escort released firmware updates that included voltage stabilization algorithms to prevent spontaneous restarts. Following widespread complaints, a class action settlement in 2022 offered refunds or replacements for users affected by the bug. However, older units may still experience restarting if they haven't been updated or if voltage problems are particularly severe. Escort has since moved to newer models like the Passport Max 3, which feature enhanced voltage management and adaptive power systems. To understand voltage, recall that voltage is the electrical potential difference, defined as V equals I times R, where current flows through resistance. The primary solution for fixing restarting issues in Escort radar detectors is updating the firmware. Escort has addressed the voltage sensitivity through software improvements. Escort released firmware version 3.2 and later, which includes voltage stabilization algorithms to prevent spontaneous restarts caused by electrical fluctuations. To get the latest updates, visit Escort's website at escortradar.com and check for updates specific to your detector model. Newer Escort models support over-the-air updates, making the process seamless and automatic through their app or device interface. During the update, ensure your detector is properly connected and powered to avoid interruptions. Voltage is defined as V equals I times R, where I is current and R is resistance. Understanding this helps explain why voltage fluctuations cause restarts. Updating to the latest firmware resolves most restarting issues by stabilizing voltage handling in Escort radar detectors. When firmware updates don't completely resolve the restarting issue, hardware solutions offer a reliable alternative. Hardwiring the Escort radar detector directly to the car's electrical system bypasses potential issues with adapters and provides a more stable connection. A voltage stabilizer, like those offered by Escort as optional accessories, regulates the power supply and prevents voltage fluctuations that can cause restarts. Voltage is defined as V equals I times R, where I is current and R is resistance. Stable voltage prevents detector restarts. Hardware solutions like voltage stabilizers are particularly beneficial for older vehicles that may have less stable electrical systems prone to voltage fluctuations. Radar detectors draw power from your car's 12-volt DC system. This direct current powers all the detector's electronics. Sudden voltage surges or drops can cause the internal regulator to reset the device, leading to those frustrating restarts. Detectors use DSP, or digital signal processing, chips to filter out false positives from sources like automatic doors or traffic sensors. Voltage drops below 10.5 volts can trigger protective shutdowns, which may appear as restarts to the user. A multimeter can test your car's voltage levels to see if the voltage is a stable 12 to 13 volts. Here's the mathematical definition of voltage, V equals I times R from Ohm's law. Begin troubleshooting by updating the firmware. Visit Escort's website or use their app to download and install the latest version, which includes fixes for voltage sensitivity. Next, check your car's voltage using a multimeter. Connect it to the power outlet and look for steady 12 to 13 volts. Fluctuations indicate a potential issue. Remember, voltage is defined as V equals I times R per Ohm's law. Inspect the power adapter and cable for any damage, such as exposed wires or fraying. These can cause voltage instability. Replace any faulty components. If problems continue, try connecting to a different power outlet in your vehicle. Faulty outlets can cause voltage drops. If restarts persist, consider hardwiring the detector directly to your car's electrical system using a voltage stabilizer. This provides stable power. Finally, if all else fails, contact Escort customer support. They can provide additional troubleshooting or warranty options. The radar detector market is shifting towards software-centric fixes and integrated systems. Newer models offer app integration for real-time updates and AI-driven false positive reduction. As vehicles electrify, radar detectors must adapt to DC-DC converters to avoid voltage surges. The trend is toward wireless charging and AI power management, which will minimize voltage-related problems. Voltage, defined as V equals I times R, where current meets resistance, will be better managed in future systems. Case studies and user experiences provide valuable insights into the voltage-related restarting issues with Escort radar detectors. The Escort Passport 9500iX class action case in 2022 highlighted the widespread nature of the restarting issue, affecting thousands of users and resulting in refunds or replacements. User forum threads frequently describe experiences with cold starts causing voltage drops in vehicle systems, leading to detector restarts. Repair case studies, such as those from iFixit, show that faulty capacitors in older models can cause voltage instability, often fixed by replacing them with higher rated capacitors. Voltage is defined as V equals I times R, where V is voltage, I is current, and R is resistance. The Passport Max 3 has received praise for its zero restart performance, thanks to updated voltage algorithms that stabilize power input. User experiences emphasize keeping your detector up to date with firmware and using hardwiring with voltage stabilizers to resolve issues.